In this detailed drawing, I will insert a LogoPress whole table. First, I will insert a full table. I'll select the origin point, place the tags, and there's our LogoPress whole table. And with the full table, it gives you X and Y locations. In this template, it also has a standard component column showing you what standard component belongs with that whole. Now delete this table. And this time I will insert a compact table, which I only have to select the drawing view. And with this particular template, the compact template, you have just simply the quantity, no locations. And that's how LogoPress whole tables go in.